Hi there, what's up? Welcome back to Economics. I am Dr. Shreya Roy, the founder of Economics, and this is lecture 7 of data analytics using SPSS. Economics is registered under the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, Ministry of Education, Skill India, Startup India, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, and we are serving knowledge across 165 countries. In today's lecture, we are going to be covering basic arithmetic functions such as addition, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, logarithm, square, square root, trigonometry. Using these functions later on, in today's lecture itself, we are going to be learning how to solve equations too. If you haven't watched the previous lectures, please go ahead and do that. And in today's lecture, I'm going to be using a very hand-created data. We have not downloaded this data from the World Bank or the International Monetary Fund or Reserve Bank of India, but in the previous lectures, we did that. So please brush your skills before coming to this one. However, if you are an independent viewer, definitely you can view from this as well. If you haven't registered to the course as yet, please do so. The link is down in the description. Just fill up the form and our executive will call you. Let me share my screen. Okay. So we can see we just have 3 columns, A, B, and C, and the data is very simple, very numeric data. We haven't included a lot of qualitative data in this one as yet. It's not needed for this lecture session. Okay, let's first understand addition, then subtraction, then multiplication, then division, then logarithm, and then maybe square root or cube, and then we will enter into equation framing and solving. Go to transform compute variable give a target variable, that is, give a name. You can type anything you want. So let's call it D, and let's say I want to calculate A plus 10, and then click on OK. We see the command has been run and the execution has also been done. So when we go to our data view, we see a new variable D has been created, which is A plus 10. We can simply reduce the decimal places, and there's that. Now, further, let's create E, reset E. Let's do E, which should be an addition of A plus B. Sorry, B plus C. And OK. See, we have run a command and there is our execution. Checking the data sheet again, and we have the result here. Furthermore, let's go and do subtraction. Let's do reset E minus A. Sorry. We have to give a target name F, which will be E minus A. Click on OK. We have further performed our subtraction, which we have got. Now, let's enter into multiplication. Let G be a multiplication of A into, let's just enter the number and OK. Okay. We have it. Now let's go and learn division. So let's go compute variable, reset type H, and let's say G divided by, let's say, C, and OK. Check it out, and we have our answer. Further, so far all good. These are the basics of mathematical functions. Let's take a look if we want to square something. Compute, reset everything. Let's call it I. Let's say I want a square of B. So B into B, and OK. So we see that I is now a square of B, that is B into B. Similarly, if I want a square root of something, we'll go compute, reset, and let's call it Z. And all right, let's maintain the sequence J, and let's now pay attention over here. We are clicking on arithmetic, then we are looking for square root, click and drag, backspace the question mark, and let's say I want the square root of G, type that, and then click on OK. So J is the square root of G. We have the answer. Similarly, now if we want to create a log, again, pay attention. Transform compute variable. I'm just calling it the X, okay, and then, okay, reset everything, call it X, and it should be a log of, let's say, A. Click on arithmetic, clicking on log 10. You can also take log natural, that is ln. Remove the is question mark and log of A, and click on OK. Okay, it is done. Let's just check it out. Yes, we have the value. Now, so far we have learned all the arithmetic functions: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. We have learned square, we have learned square root, we have learned log. So when you go to transform compute variable, you will find all the functions over here. You can find the sign, you can find, you have everything. The ln comma, you have everything. Square root. If you want something else, you can take it from here. Okay. So now let's take a look and understand how to solve an equation in SPSS. So let me see, look for an equation if I have something. Okay, let's see. So let's try to solve this equation, which is A into B plus B plus C minus ln B. Okay, so for this, first we have to create a ln B. So let's create a ln B. Go to transform, compute, write ln B, and over here, go to click on arithmetic, click on ln, click and drag, remove the question mark, click on B and bring it to the numeric expression side and click on OK. Okay, so a ln B is created, and now the equation say A into B plus B into C minus ln B. Okay, okay. So now go to analyze, no, transform compute variable. Let's call the equation Z, and now it is A into B plus open bracket B plus C minus ln of B. Click on OK. So this is how I'm solving a mathematical equation in SPSS. So Z is my answer. Um, so this is how you can solve any equation, you can solve any mathematical function, any I mean for data analysis, obviously SPSS is great, but you can also use it for mathematical functions. So I think that's about it. If you want, you can really try some other practice questions that we have. So here are some practice questions. As for the study material, if you do not have your hands on in any study material, you can write to us and we will give you the study material. Our book on SPSS 101 Demystify SPSS is being, being published right now. So yeah, maybe this is the month of September. If you can connect with us in January, probably we will parcel you the book too. As of now, we have notes. We can email you or courier you the notes. That's about for this lecture. If you learned something new, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And if you want to register to the course, if you need a student's discount, please do not hesitate. Please contact us. Our WhatsApp number is being displayed on the screen, and our other details are down in the description box. That's it. See you soon. Until then, bye.